In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Lowe's credit card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head to the Account section. From there, tap on Lowe's Credit to access your credit services. If your new card is already linked to your Lowe's account, you should see it listed. Look for an option that says Activate Card. It'll usually show up right under the card image if the card hasn't been activated yet. Tap Activate Card, and you'll be prompted to enter some key information, usually your card number, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card, and your billing Zapay code. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Lowe's credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.